Evaluate the amount of heat produced during a day by beta minus active Na24 preparation of 1 milligram. It's given that beta particles have an average energy of 1/3 of the highest possible energy and half-life of Na24 is. So what is happening is this Na24 is getting decayed into this, and we need to find what is the heat produced during this process. If the beta particles that are emitted, they have 1/3 the energy, highest possible energy they could have. So now, assuming this was at rest initially, we know that just like we saw in the previous problem, that between mg and electron, majority of the kinetic energy will be with electron. So compared to that, we can say energy of this daughter nuclei is almost 0. So that's the first thing. Second is, it's given that this has 1/3 of the maximum possible energy. So we saw in just previous problem that in case of maximum possible energy, neutrino is at rest and whole energy comes to this. And what is the whole energy? That is the Q value. So in previous problem, this had the whole Q value, and now it is 1/3 of the total Q value. And the rest of it will be taken up by the neutrino. Now neutrinos, they just escape, right? In fact, it is very hard to detect neutrinos. They'll just pass through the earth itself. They have that kind of properties. So neutrinos will escape, and these electrons, whatever kinetic energy they have, so eventually they will settle inside the metal itself, and that energy will be turned to heat. So we need to find the value of Q by 3 for this equation. So let's find it for one nucleus, because also it is given that this Na24 is 1 milligram, and in one day how much energy is how much heat is produced in 15 hours. Sorry, in one day if the half-life is 15 hours. So that information will give us how many nuclei are decayed. So we'll find the Q by 3 for one nucleus and then multiply that by total number of nuclei that decay in a day. So heat produced from one nucleus is Q by 3 is equal to 1/3 of Mna minus Mng into C square. So in case of beta minus decay, this is our equation. So these values will be given in the table. So we'll just put that. And this is the heat produced because of one nuclei. Now, how many nuclei decay in the day, that we know is given by this formula. And N here is the total time by half-life. So total time is 24 and half-life is 15. And N0, initial number of nuclei are 1 milligram. So 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 by 24 into Na. So these many number of nuclei are decayed. That comes to be this. So from 1 and 2, total heat is this into this, which is our answer.